Okay, we're going to teach you something simple today. How to recover a dining room seat. Just a simple pull under and tack. No welt cord on the bottom or anything. Starting off by tearing it down. Just using this staple puller just came from Walmart. Getting it under there and pulling it up. Start with. And I got these pliers here, and I'm not even sure what they're called, but they're real good for pulling out staples because they got that leverage to them. Also, I usually put something back here just to hold down that side when I'm pulling down so that it won't fly up. The hardest thing about this particular cover I'm pulling off is being able to see the staples. A lot of people use dikes, I guess you'd call them, or side cutters to do this, but I've found this is a lot quicker because you can just grab it, pull them using that leverage on them. I just run my hand across the surface to make sure there's no staples left in there. And this one's looking a little flat, so I've got a kind of a thicker piece of Dacron fiber that I'm going to put on top of it. Kind of like a contact cement type glue that's made for foam and Dacron and fabric, put into a aerosol can. Well, that's called Pro Foam and Fabric Spray Adhesive. Okay, and what I like to do here is get it about like that where it breaks that edge, but it doesn't come all the way to the edge of the wood. And I'll cut it all the way around about the same. See, I left one staple there. Okay. All right, the last thing I like to do, because it does have a design in the fabric, is get the middle of the front and the back 11 1/16. That's about almost 7 1/8. Okay, now we're going to go over here and cut it out after I measure the size. Just a tailor's measuring tape. It's about 28 by 24